Hello everyone, myself Janki Kumari. This video is outcome of NCW Do Your Venture program. Here I am going to share my business idea with you. But first of all, I would like to thank NCW Do Your Venture program for empowering women through this initiative. Thank you so much. I am income tax and GST professional, so my business idea is also based on income tax and GST filing. Nowadays, people are facing lots of difficulties in income tax and GST filing, like they have a lack of knowledge. Sometimes they have a fear of fraud. Sometimes they have to pay extra charges for this work, and sometimes they have no easy access of responsible person for do this work. So they are very confused how to file their income tax and GST. Sometimes they want to file but they can't. So here I am going to create an aggregate network for them, where I want to give them some facilities also, like home visit by local person whom I will train for this work. I will provide 100% online service also, so they have no need to visit a stressful visit in offices. I will work at very low charges, and I also want to spread knowledge about income tax and GST. People have a myth about income tax and GST that this is not safe to file income tax and GST, but this is not right. So in this process I will also spread knowledge about income tax and GST. And in my initiative there is no time foundation. They can call any time, they can ask their queries any time. I will also give consultation and advice to their financial and investment matter also. So I want to give them a path where they can ask anything regarding their income tax and GST. In this process I also want to give chance to that person who want to participate in my network to earn money. So this is all my business idea. That's all. Thank you.